Hey guys, I am again Watashidivdraw, and in this video I am gonna learn and teach you how to draw portrait with watercolor. So let's begin with our outlining. Yo guys! So guys, now time for painting, my favorite thing to do after rough sketch. So guys, fun fact, it's my first watercolor painting or a portrait. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and share and press the bell icon below. So guys, let's do some cheating and make some highlights with pen, black and white. So guys, I have one story that one day I posted something on Insta, some portrait, and some guy says use grid method for a better accuracy or better rough sketch, but I denied because I want to practice my sketches without grid. I want to make them by Loomis method or freehand because that makes my or improves my skill furthermore. So guys, our another amazing artwork is done. If you also want to make a lovely present into a piece of art, then contact me on this number that's showing you on the top of the screen, and tell me in the comments how it is. I know it's not that much great, but I'm still learning how to draw watercolor and how to draw with watercolor. So let me know what you want me to draw with watercolor next time. So we'll meet soon. Sayonara, bye bye bye.